To transfer crypto from Ledger to Kraken, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have a Ledger hardware wallet and a Kraken account. If you do not have a Kraken account, create one by going to the Kraken website and following the sign-up process. Next, install the Ledger Live application on your computer, as this will be used to manage your Ledger wallet. Open the Ledger Live application and connect your Ledger wallet to your computer using a USB cable. Enter your Ledger wallet PIN to unlock it. In the Ledger Live application, navigate to the Accounts tab and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer to Kraken. Click on the Receive button and copy the wallet address. This address will be used to receive the cryptocurrency on your Ledger wallet. Now, log into your Kraken account and navigate to the Funding tab. Click on the Deposit button next to the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Select the correct cryptocurrency and paste the wallet address you copied from the Ledger Live application into the deposit address field. Before initiating the transfer, ensure you have the minimum required balance in your Kraken account to cover the transfer fee. The transfer fee will be deducted from your Kraken account balance. Review the transaction details, including the amount, address, and fee, to ensure everything is correct. Once you have verified the transaction details, confirm the transfer. The transfer process may take some time, depending on the blockchain network congestion. You can track the status of the transfer in the Ledger Live application or on the Kraken website. After the transfer is complete, your cryptocurrency will be available in your Kraken account, and you can use it for trading or other purposes. It is essential to keep your Ledger wallet and Kraken account secure by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. In conclusion, transferring crypto from Ledger to Kraken is a straightforward process that requires careful attention to detail to ensure the transaction is executed correctly. By following these steps and taking the necessary security precautions, you can safely transfer your cryptocurrency and start trading on Kraken.